Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new to this channel, then myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss about all the project control software which is utilized in construction industry. So, first thing first, why do we need project control software? Well, if you're working in project management industry and you ever felt that you're juggling with one hand while your other hand is tied behind your back, then for information, the project control software is the other hand which you may need to control your project. It helps you to manage budget, schedule, resource and much more. But not all tools are created equal. So, what are the top features to look while select the right project control software for your construction project? So, let's break down to the master feature for construction project control softwares. The first one is comprehensive project dashboard. This is a command center of your project. It should give you a quick overview of your project status at a glance, from budget to schedule to resource allocation. A good dashboard is customizable and provide insight that help you to make informed decisions on the fly. The second one is the detailed cost tracking and budget management. So let's talk about money. Detailed cost tracking and budget management are vital. You need software that not only tracks every dollar spent but also forecasts the future expenditure. This helps prevent those dreaded budget overrun and keeps your project financially on track. The third one is dynamic scheduling tool. Efficient scheduling is a backbone of project management. Look for the software with dynamic scheduling tool that allow you to easily adjust timeline and manage work order. These tools should be intuitive and capable of handling complex projects with multiple dependency. The fourth one is real-time documentation sharing and collaboration. Remember, in today's world, collaboration is a key. Your project control software should always facilitate real-time collaboration and document sharing. Whether it's blueprint, RFI, meeting notes, everyone on your team should have access to those latest information anytime, everywhere. The fifth one is detailed reporting and analytics. Remember, data is power. Detailed reporting and analytics features enable you to generate comprehensive reports on project progress, productivity, and much more. These insights are crucial for your continuous improvement and proving your success to stakeholders. So, with this feature in your project control software, you are not just equipped, you are empowered. You can manage any project with confidence knowing that you have the tool to handle every aspect effectively. Now, once we understood the project control software for construction industry and what are the specific features which may you need for controlling your project, next step is to understand what are the top 5 project control software which are utilized in construction industry. So here are my top 5 picks and let's see them one by one. Number 1 is Procore. It is renowned for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive project management tool. Procore excels in document management, real-time communication and has robust mobile support, making it ideal for teams to go on. Perfect for the large-scale projects that require detailed oversights. Number 2 on the list is Autodesk Construction Cloud, formerly known as BIM 360. This software integrates seamlessly with the Autodesk product and provide excellent tool for design and construction data management. Its strength lies in collaboration and workflow automation, make its favorite among the architects and engineers as well. Number 3 is PlanGrid. Especially if you're dealing with the field team or the team at the site, these tools comes very handy. It offers excellent tool for blueprint management and can handle large quantity of construction drawings. PlanGrid allows user to update plan, markups and report in real time, ensuring everyone is always on the same page. The fourth one is Primavera P6, very popular among the large projects and EPC projects. For those who need hardcore scheduling and resource management, Oracle Primavera P6 is a powerhouse. It's especially well suited for handling very complex multi-phase projects and is favored by many in civil engineering sector for its depth and reliability in its scheduling capability. Next one is Smartsheet, very popular collaboration tool. It is just like an Excel sheet but available online. Also, it provides a lot of similar functionality as a Microsoft Excel. For those who thrive in spreadsheet-like environment but need more power, Smartsheet is your best bet. It's intuitive, versatile, and great for real-time collaboration. So, always remember, right project management software can elevate your project management game. Thanks for watching this video and as always, keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to drop a comment below and we will reach you out to help you. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.